with this plan, the FCC chairman has put government policy squarely on the side of the transition from a circuit switch copper wire communications infrastructure that, by the way, served this country well for 100 years, but has put government policy squarely on the side of transitioning this to a fiber-based broadband communications infrastructure that we hope will serve it well for the next 100 years.
We have competition. That is not the debate. I know we're going to debate it. That is not the debate. It's the marketplace is doing amazing things, and I think the trick here is going to be to identify places where the government can help, where it's clearly within its purview, and then, for my part, the rest of the trick is going to be how do we keep the government from getting in the way.
It is also important that if we're going to get broadband out there, and if we're going to increase adoption rates, and if cost is a factor, that it's important that the FCC not foreclose innovative business plans.
If you look at the wireless space, you get a manufacturer of a device, you get the operating system provider, you get the network provider, and it's okay. Apple and the iPhone and AT&T drove us to go find Google and Motorola do the droids so we'd have something to compete, and then they do something. I mean, this is competition that Kyle was alluding to, but it's competition among modules of players or groups of players that work together, each bringing some expertise to the table, and that's what's driving innovation right now.
As we move forward, there's a lot that's controversial in the National Broadband Plan. There's some who are salivating for new fights in Washington. I don't think they'll be disappointed. But I think that there's one fight that should be everybody's fight, that is breaking down the barriers to adoption and utilization of broadband.
The plan is in beta and always will be. Like the internet itself, it will be forever changing, adjusting to new realities, new data, new analysis. Now, this is not at odds with our call for a clear agenda. Through these adjustments, there must always remain constant goals and benchmarks. We've laid out initial tactics to achieve them, but everyone should understand if those tactics don't get us where we need to be, there will need to be course corrections.
Broadband for America, your partners in this amazing journey.